Hello everyone, my name is Mohammad Ishaq. Having 8 years of experience in SAP FICO Consulting. In this 8 years, I did on multiple projects. Some was end-to-end implementation, migration, rollout, greenfield, and brownfield. Multiple industries I have experience regarding automobiles industry, power industry, hospital industry, chemicals as well. If you talk about a companies, so also I work at various companies like Genpact, IBM, Mercedes-Benz, or other area. So here I am bringing you, actually I am going to start a SAP intensive program. It must be helpful for those guys who wants to make a career in IT or SAP. This course are especially for those who is pursuing or who has completed CMA, MBA, CA, BCom, DBA as well. From next week, I am going to arrange one master class regarding SAP careers, job and opportunities, and so much. So I am dropping a link here. So don't forget to join this master class. Let's come to start new careers.